Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that you can transfer money on the Capitec app using just a cell phone number? Super convenient and perfect for sending money to friends or family who don't have a bank account. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use this feature. So let's get started. First thing that you will need to do is to log into the Capitec app. Open the Capitec app and log in using your PIN or biometric. Go to the Transact tab. You'll find it at the bottom middle of your screen. Now select Send Cash. Now tap on the Send Cash option, and this is the feature that lets you send money to a cell phone number. Type in the amount you want to send and enter the recipient's cell phone number carefully. You'll need to create a temporary 4-digit PIN that the recipient will use to withdraw the cash. Make sure to share this PIN with them securely. Review the details and ensure everything is correct. Then tap Confirm, and the recipient will receive an SMS with instructions on how to withdraw the money. And that's it. Sending money with the Capitec app using a cell phone number is quick and hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using the Capitec app.